everyone, once again welcome to my channel. Chalo, let's go. In today's video I am going to show you one of Switzerland's most beautiful village called the Easel World. If the main objective of your Switzerland holiday is to relax, then you can consider staying in Easel World. So we have taken the ICE train from Frankfurt to Basel SBB, and then from there to Interlaken Ost, and finally a bus to the Easel Waldorf. So to go to Easel Waldorf from Interlaken Ost, we have to take bus number 103 and we can get the ticket from the Tourist Info Center. It takes around 15 to 20 minutes in bus from Interlaken Ost to Easel Waldorf, which is the last stop for this bus 103. This is the Easel Waldorf and this is the place where the bus will drop you. Surrounding this area, you will find lots of hotels and hostels. If you are looking out for a hostel stay in this place, I would highly recommend this Lake Lodge hostel because it is budget friendly as well as the location of this hostel is just mind blowing. This is the front portion of the hostel where you can sit and enjoy the nice view of the lake. And in case you want to rent a e-bike, that also you can do it from this hostel. And my favorite place in this hostel is this sitting area where you can grab your favorite drink and enjoy the beautiful view of the mountains and the lake. Also, it is worth to mention that when you check into this hostel, you get a travel pass with which you can travel between Easelwald and Interlaken. So, in case you are staying in any other hostel or hotels, do not forget to check with them regarding this pass. So when you are in this Easel World, you can spend your days in a leisurely manner, like walking along the Lake Brienz, hiking up to many waterfalls, or riding the local railways which passes through the Swiss Alps. Easelwalddorf is one of the less touristy places to see in the Interlaken region, but it provides the best rural Swiss charm. The white building that you see now, that is the Easelwald Castle. When you climb uphill, then you get a very good view of this entire village and also the lake. This particular spot in Easel World is very famous and is called as Crash Landing on You. This is called so because the Korean Netflix Crash Landing on You episode 3 has been filmed here, where Ri Young-hyo stands here on the shore of the Brienz and plays the piano. As you can see, this place becomes really crowded throughout the day. So if you want to click some good pictures, make sure that you come early in the morning. This place is called Harbor Easel World, from where we get the cruises. In this cruise ride, you can enjoy the beauty of the mountains and also this Lake Brienz. That's all about this beautiful Swiss village, and it's time to say goodbye now. In my next video, I'm going to show you one more beautiful place called the Gießbach Waterfall. Until then, take care and bye-bye.